Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most promising and disruptive technologies of the 21st century. It has the potential to transform various industries and sectors, from healthcare to education, from finance to entertainment. Chat GPT is a powerful natural language processing (NLP) model that can generate coherent and engaging texts on any topic, given some keywords or a prompt. Chat GPT can be used to create various AI-based businesses that leverage its conversational and creative abilities. Here are some of the best AI businesses to start with Chat GPT. Chatbot development. Chatbots are software applications that can interact with humans via text or voice, using natural language. Chatbots can provide customer service, sales, marketing, entertainment, education, and more. Chat GPT can be used to create chatbots that can handle complex and diverse queries, generate personalized and relevant responses, and learn from user feedback. Chatbot development is a lucrative and growing market, as more businesses and organizations seek to automate and enhance their communication channels with their customers and stakeholders. Content creation. Content creation is the process of producing original and engaging texts, images, videos, audio, or other forms of media for various purposes, such as marketing, education, entertainment, or information. Content creation is a challenging and time-consuming task that requires creativity, research, and writing skills. Chat GPT can be used to create content that is relevant, coherent, and captivating, based on some keywords or a prompt. Chat GPT can generate content for various domains and formats, such as blogs, social media posts, newsletters, ebooks, podcasts, scripts, etc. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of collecting, processing, exploring, and interpreting data to extract insights and knowledge that can support decision-making, problem-solving, or innovation. Data analysis is a vital and in-demand skill in the era of big data and data-driven businesses. Chat GPT can be used to perform data analysis tasks that involve natural language processing, NLP, such as sentiment analysis, text summarization, text classification, topic modeling, etc. Chat GPT can also generate natural language explanations and reports based on the data analysis results. Education. Education is the process of facilitating learning and acquiring knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes. Education is essential for personal and professional development and social progress. Chat GPT can be used to create educational products and services that can enhance learning outcomes and experiences for students and teachers. Chat GPT can generate educational content such as quizzes, exercises, assignments, lectures, etc., based on the curriculum and learning objectives. Chat GPT can also provide feedback and guidance to learners based on their performance and progress. Entertainment. Entertainment is the activity of providing amusement or enjoyment to oneself or others. Entertainment is a source of relaxation, fun, and happiness for many people. Chat GPT can be used to create entertainment products and services that can provide novel and immersive experiences for users. Chat GPT can generate entertainment content such as stories, jokes, games, songs, lyrics, poems, etc., based on the user's preferences and interests. Chat GPT can also interact with users in a playful and humorous way. Marketing. Marketing is the process of promoting and selling products or services to potential customers. Marketing is essential for creating brand awareness, generating leads, and increasing sales and revenue for businesses and organizations. Chat GPT can be used to create marketing, products, and services that can attract and engage customers and prospects. Chat GPT can generate marketing content such as headlines, slogans, advertisements, testimonials, reviews, etc., based on the product or service, features, and benefits. Chat GPT can also personalize and optimize the marketing, content, based on the customer profile and behavior. Research. Research is the process of conducting systematic and rigorous inquiry into a topic or phenomenon to discover new facts or theories or to test existing ones. Research is fundamental for advancing knowledge and innovation in various fields and disciplines. Chat GPT can be used to assist researchers in various aspects of their research process, such as literature review, hypothesis generation, data collection, data analysis, result interpretation, and report writing. Chat GPT can generate research content such as abstracts, introductions, conclusions, recommendations, etc., based on the research topic and objectives. Chat GPT can also provide suggestions and feedback to researchers based on their research questions and methods. If you like the video, please leave a comment and subscribe for more videos.